Hey, it's Annie and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be talking about lashes. And this is the collab. I'm wearing a pair, so one of these boxes is going to be empty. But I'm talking all about the lashes with Risa Does Makeup with the collaboration with BK Beauty. So you're going to see me try all of these lashes on. I'm wearing a pair right now. So you're going to see me you're going to see me try on all of them. I'm going to share a couple of tips with you too on lashes. And one of the things that Risa said why she wanted to create these is she just felt like there was a market, a need for lashes for mature ladies, because a lot of them are just really, like, they're just too much for mature eyes. So she created these. I'm going to tell you, they're beautiful and they're comfortable. Like I said, I'm wearing a pair right now that I really, really like. I'm really, really proud of her. Congratulations, Risa. And let's get into the video. Let's go into these. This one is called Day Club. And this is what they look like. I'm going to open it so you don't see that reflection. But look how pretty the box is. I love this nice magnetic box to keep them in. How nice is that? And these are the lashes. Now, I actually already took one of these off as I was kind of playing around. I didn't put it on yet, but I was just excited about it. So, I've shared some videos before on how to apply lashes, but I'm going to go over that really quickly too in this video. Really easy to do. When you are applying, like when you're looking at this right here, like this is going to be for this eye. This lash is going to be for that eye. And I like the way she did this too. I like the shape of these. So this, see how it's a little bit shorter and then it gets longer? You want that shorter to be on the inner corner and then it gets longer as it goes out, okay? So I'm going to take this pair off. And I know I'm going to have to trim this. I always have to trim my lashes just a little bit. And I'm just going to kind of go like this with it too. Kind of bend it, kind of get it so it's going to go onto my eye really nicely. Now when you trim them, you don't want to trim off in the inner corner. You want to trim it off on the outer corner. I'm going to take some tweezers that I have. I actually have some lash tweezers here. And I can hold it up to my eye. And I can kind of see how it's going to be. It's not going to be too, actually it's not going to be too bad. But I think, yeah, I think I've cut off just a little bit on the end there. So I'm just going to go, I'm going to get my glasses here so I can see what I'm doing. And I'm just going to cut off a little bit on the end. And the thing is, you could always cut more. Don't cut too much off, okay? Just do a little bit. Again, I'm kind of going like this. I'm going to take this glue because you guys know I love this. This is from Kiss, and this is their liner glue. I just love this liner glue. It just makes it really easy. And I always store it like this so it doesn't get dried up. And I'm going to go right here and apply it right at my baseline here. And the great thing about this, you don't have to let it dry. That's what I love about it. So I'm going to take my lashes, and apply it in the center, and then I start to work it. Boom. This would be like a date night for me. Wow, let's get the other pair on. Look at how beautiful those are. Wow. I feel so glammed up. Wow. I feel like a movie star or something. Those are so beautiful. These feel really, really nice. They are a little long, so I kind of feel them when I'm opening my eyes. I can feel them up there. but they're not uncomfortable. They don't feel heavy. I don't feel the band at all. They're very, very comfortable, which is really important to me. So these are really nice. I'm not used to, like, this is glam for me, okay? I don't know if I would wear these, or maybe I would. I don't know. They're beautiful. They're beautiful. Let's put on another pair. This is fun. So this pair is called Stiletto, and I'm going to open this up. Let's see what those look like. Now this has a little bit of a different band. Here we go. Wow, those are gorgeous. Wow, those are like va-va-voom. I just love how they wing up. Now these ones are long too, like the first ones that I tried. I kind of feel them, but not as much. I don't feel them on the top part as much, and I like that a little bit more for me as far as comfort. I mean, the first ones are comfortable. I just kind of felt it a little bit brushing on my my skin here. You know what I'm saying? But these are so, oh my gosh, these are very glamorous, but they are doable. You know what I mean? Like, I feel comfortable. I would feel confident walking out with these on. So this is what they look like. Really pretty. So that was Stiletto. So the next pair is called Vegas. And let's open it up so you can see. They look like so pretty and fluttery. Let's do it. Okay. So these are Vegas. Very comfortable again to wear. Really, really pretty. I like how these are a little bit more kind of spread out a little bit more, but they still have that nice lift on the corners, which is really important for us with, you know, mature eyes. And especially if you have hooded eyes, these are just gorgeous. Gorgeous. Oh, girl, gorgeous. I love it. I love them. I love them. I love them. We have one more that we're going to put on. I think these one might be, the next pair is probably going to be my favorite because it's one I probably would wear all the time. Let's get into that one. These are Martini. So these go on the end. I love that. I'm so excited to try these ones on. So there's nothing to cut here, honey. There's nothing to cut. So that I love. Oh, I love it. You know what I should do though first? Let me take this off really quick because you know what I should really do first? Let me get my mascara on because when you do these, it's better to, let me do this. When you use a lash like this, it's better to go ahead and get your mascara on first. You can put mascara on afterwards, but if you put some mascara on first, then you don't have to worry about getting any mascara on your lashes. Although you can totally do that and blend it in. Just make sure that if you're applying any mascara to your lashes, you always want to make sure that you're getting all that mascara off when you're taking them off at night. That is so, it's just so, I like that it's subtle, but look at how it lifts the corner of my eye. See that? Compared to my other eye, look how that just lifts it. I love it. It's like a instant winged liner. You know what I mean? Kind of a thing. Like it just, look at how pretty that is. It's not over the top, you know? It's not over the top. None of them are over the top. But I mean, if you just want like, I just want to do a little something, nothing, like this is perfect. This is perfect. I feel like she's checked all the boxes with this collection. You know, I feel like she has something for everybody. And these are so pretty. I need to fix my hair. Let me do that really quickly and I'll be right back. There we go. Hair's all done. Got my little Martini lashes on here. Look how beautiful these are. I'm going to get you close so you can see them again. I love it. I love it. I think they're all beautiful, but these probably would be ones I would wear the most because I feel like they're everyday kind of lashes that give my eye a little bit of a lift without looking like, I don't know, they just go with my lifestyle more. You know what I mean? Like the other ones for me personally would be like if I was going out someplace or something like that, or maybe if I was doing a fancy eye look on here or something and I wanted to vavoom it up a little bit. But these are beautiful. They're very comfortable to wear, very easy to apply. Really like them. And I'm just really proud of Risa again. So congratulations, Risa. Thank you so much, BK Beauty, for gifting these to me. Not sponsored. If it was, I would have said at the beginning of the video, this was not sponsored, but they did give it to me. But you guys know I keep it real whether a company sends it to me or not. And I truly, truly, really, really like these. So thank you guys so much for joining me. Let me know in the comments which ones are your favorites. Would love to hear from you. Let me know. And if you're new here, would love to have you join. I share new videos every single week. Smash that button below. And I will catch you guys all in my next video. Bye.